Whakalawhalahi atu hanei e tau walatala te tupu ke lata mai awhiawhi. Good evening in our news bulletin for tonight. Ka mātanga hua tuai ke he matapatu mai tau pō whanā fōu he whahinga hua moa mai whakawhanwhikau. Telecom Niue carry out infrastructure developments for an upgrade to their mobile network. Tahe whaoloanga fōu he matakau he tau pisinisi he motu ke tālanga e whaoloanga whakahoho mai tau pisinisi he motu. Chamber of Commerce is working to develop an app promoting local businesses and attractions. Tua tofu e tau palepale matahiku tau he aunga tōlunga ke matahiku whai tupua mole. Niue High School held their annual prize giving ceremony last week. Hawhange e tau whakaluanga whiwa spote he atu Pasifika ki Vanuatu mo e kua whakalataha I Foki e tau matakauhani wei. The Pacific Mini Games has started with the opening and events have started this week. He mātatua e ngahua ke tālanga e te matapatu he tau pō whanā fōu he whainga hua maua moe whakawhanwhikau ke lata me tau whakaluanga 4G. Ua matakawi ne kua whiwhiria I ke toka e takoloni, taha ka toka atua ki kaho, me taha fōki ke he maanga ko La Kepa. Ne whiwhiria e te matakawi nei ha kua tau sei whala tau kumikumianga ke he motu he tau mga hoka mole, koe tau matakawi nei ni ko maiki ai ke moua osia I tau hea telefoni whanuni pia me tau whakaluanga internete. Ka mātai e tālanga he pōwhana I kaho, fuafua koe whang fumalima e mita he tokolunga, me taha fōki ka toka I ki La Kepa, koe tau koloni ni ko whakatupe ai he whakatawhanu hani silani. Amna ki fōki ke whai whakaluanga, puke whakaonganga he whalua tau pō I Sekana, mō kai misi ke tuke to kolonga ke mai ke e 4G ke ngahua mitaki. Ka eke ke holo mitaki e tau ngahua, amana ki whakaurua e 4G ke mahin hame he tau kahau. Infrastructure developments are underway for the upgrade to Niue's mobile network funded by the Government of India. Niue's telecommunications mobile system currently operates on a 2G network that has limited coverage and no data. 4G is a mobile communication standard that allows wireless internet access at a much higher speed. As Telecom Niue prepare for mobile upgrade, there is infrastructure and equipment that needs to be installed. 2 new 45-meter high towers are being constructed, with the foundation work currently underway at Kaho and another to be placed in La Kepa. Funding for these particular towers are from the New Zealand High Commission. Telecom Niue representatives say that the locations were selected based on land studies done that will enable full coverage. Telecom will also be using 2 other existing towers at Sekana and Kaimisi. Other ICT applications that can be used on top of the 4G network, like global positioning systems, and one of the biggest expenses for telecommunications at the moment is the maintenance of the copper network that does have a limited lifespan due to corrosion. However, 4G will remove the requirement and make the network more resilient and faster. Once tower constructions have been completed, equipment will be installed to operate the new system that will hopefully be ready by May 2018. Ko halu ki moe tau whakahaluanga me tau pisinisi he motu me taha whakahaluanga fō, ke whakaonga I ke whakahoho he tau tangata ke omoe ke he motu. Koe lakaanga fō nei he Niue Chamber of Commerce, ke mai ki ai ke whakaonga I tau whakahaluanga koe tau app. Tuku atua I ke taha pisinisi I New Zealand ni whakahingoa I koe Go Network, ke tālanga e app kai ngahua e Chamber ke pota whalataha, e tau talahawanga hangau ia ke tau pisinisi ni aha ke he motu. Whakamama me te ki Officer Chamber ko Ray Finley, ko fuaki atu I tau mga aho ke ikasi e tau pisinisi mo I tohi hifo I tau menualata ke mai longa tau tangata, mo I tuku ai ke loto he app ne, kai ki se mga nei nā kai loto ko longa ne kua whakapuke, koe tau se anga nei nā kai whai tutongi, koe mga aho ne koe pota whalataha e tau whailoanga, si lahi amna ki anga he Chamber, tō marikisi hake e tau whai pisinisi mo e o whenanga waewa he motu, ha koe laka anga fōu nei, mo I tuku hifo fōke e tau tuku whakamole, ne whamahai ni whakaonga ke lulumi e tau pepa, amna ke whakauru ai e Niue app ke mahina he whipua li he tau kahau. Niue Chamber of Commerce has a digital application in development that will provide information about businesses on the island. The Niue app is a concept to market Niue and keep up to date with digital advancements using a mobile app. A mobile app is a computer program designed to run on a mobile device, and this new initiative will make information more accessible and delivery more cost-effective.
It's an opportunity to have all the information digitally, so you can just click on the app. There's an A to Z directory of businesses that can be done by category. So if you're a local and you want to look for a mechanic, you just go into the app, local directory, mechanics, and all the mechanics on the island, the information. You just click on their phone number and it will dial their number for you. So it's very user-friendly. For visitors coming to Niue, they'll be encouraged through the advertising that Niue Tourism does to they'll promote the app in New Zealand or where visitors are coming from, so that they download the app before they come. They can look at the attractions that they want to do. So if they want to go scuba diving or if they want to go on a fishing charter, they can look up that information and potentially book before. They won't book on the actual app, but they can get all the information, do all their research, accommodation, restaurants, all before they come.
A New Zealand firm has been commissioned to design the app while Chamber gather information from local businesses.
And the great thing is, as opposed to a booklet, is that we can update it. So for the cost of one print run of the booklet, we can produce an app that we can then update ourselves. So we're just compiling all the information at the moment. We've gone out to all the businesses, asked them to send in their information, and then they'll come back to us with that. And we will have about a 6-week wait before our app's ready to go live.
The concept has taken months of discussions and finding ways to make an app that is also easy to maintain.
Yeah, when we started looking at the app, we really wanted to have something that we could update ourselves because, seasonal changes, those sorts of things. So we will have the opportunity to update the app in-house here at the Chamber of Commerce. So people can send in their information. We'll do weekly updates. If there's something, an important notice that needs to be put out that affects a lot of businesses, we can actually put that out on the app on a daily basis if we need to. There's an events calendar on there, so whether it's events that are happening this week, if you've got a venue that's got live entertainment, or it's one of the major events or festivals, show days, they can all be listed into the app. So if somebody's is on the island for a week, they can look at what's happening for that week. But if they're looking at booking travel for next year, they can also go into the events calendar and see what's happening in a particular month that they might want to visit Niue and tie their visit in conjunction with an event that's happening as well.
In-house training has been organised for Chamber staff to update the app, but any structural changes will be directed to Go Network.
Certainly it'll be a lot better once we've got 4G, but that's not very far away, so then we'll be able to access it anywhere on the island. But you've actually downloaded the app onto your phone already, so once you've got the app, the information is there so long as you're connected to Wi-Fi. We've used some of the other apps. We're using a company called the Go Network, so they've developed an app, a very similar app for about 28 other visitor destinations. So they know what they're doing. And also we're linked to the Go Network then as well. So if you go to Go Waiheke or Go Queenstown or Go Rotorua, then at the bottom there you click on a button on all of those apps, it says the Go Network, and they'll be able to actually link from there to Go Niue. So it gives us a little bit of added promotion in there as well.
The Niue app is expected to be launched in February 2018. Whakapalepale te malulu he te whānau haonga tukulunga ki hau tuwha palepale me te hiku tau. Koe hawhalaili ni whakahoko e whakaroanga e ke whale tolu haonga me tolu atu e te mamatua ki loak whewhi halo tolu atu whānau me halo tolu atu lalianga ki he tau mui whakako e tau nei. Ko tau whakamatalaanga ne kua longan mai he ikipo le whai whakakotama ko Billy Tālangi, koe ulu whakatonu ke whai whakakotama ko Bertha Tongahau, mo ia whuke ulu aonga ko Charles Ioane. Ko tau whakahoho halau tōru ke he tau whānau, ke whakamalolo, ke he tau mo i whakako, koe puhala me tau munui nā nuiha. Ne tuku atu whuke ke taha ngāho ke taha tamani whina tua i he aonga haia, ko ia ni whiwhiri ai me tau ne ko Aldrich Hipa. Pale ko atu ia ke te whānau ke aua ne ke pehea lu tōru koe usianga nei he tau whakakoanga, ke whakamalolo, ke he tau whakakoanga whakalaulahi whuki. Ahai ai whalo tau whakawhiawhia mai he mtakau kori tu whunga whakamotu he aonga takurunga, ne ko amana ke ala tōru ke watu ai ke Polyface i New Zealand he tau kahau. Ko he tuwhatuwhaanga he tau palepale lalahi ke lātai me tau atu tau, mai wahanga fitu, whinatu ai ke Gabrielle Tuhipa, wahanga walu, Alex Douglas, wahanga Hewa, Kaira Poihanga, wahanga honga fulu ko Chloe Ioane, wahanga honga mataha emu mangatungia, me wahanga honga maua ko Haven Siosikefu, ko ia ni moe palepale Ducks ke lātai me tau nei whinatu ai ke Maravina Siohane. Mai ke ia ke whiwhiri, kai ko manaka whinatu ke haonga pulotu i Otago, moe scholarship 5 hawhitala, o ke whinatu ai ke aonga pulotu Canterbury, moe scholarship 6 hawhitala, si hai e fuke tau langmatianga mai he whakatawhanu niwe koe 5 hawhitala. Niue High School students were rewarded for their efforts this year during the end of the year prize-giving ceremony held on Friday last week. Students were reminded that a firm education foundation is an investment in future success. Each year, the school invite a former student to give a motivational speech, and this year was Aldrich Hipa. He challenged students to look beyond high school, to give their best effort for ongoing learning, and that university may not be for everyone. A short intermission break gave the Niue High School Culture Group a chance to showcase some items that they have been preparing for Polyfest next year. Special awards were distributed for sports champions, speech winners and other non-academic awards, and the top students for subjects received awards, as these were followed by the overall Ducks for each grade. For Year 7, that went to Gabrielle Tuhipa, Year 8, Alex Douglas, Year 9, Kaira Poihanga, Year 10, Chloe Ioane, Year 11, Emil Mangatungia, and for Year 12, Haven Siosikefu. The ultimate prize that most were waiting for was the Year 13 Ducks, who would receive a $5,000 grant from the Niue government and the option of accepting a scholarship to Otago University to the value of $5,000 or a scholarship to the University of Canterbury to the value of $6,000. The Year 13 Ducks award went to Maravina Siohane, and the 2017 school year ends this week. Koe o ke whahatapu e kua mole ni hawhangi e te whakaroanga whiwa spate ke Hongfulua, ke Pasifika, ke motu ko Vanuatu. Ke lātu me hawhangianga he te whiwa spate kua whakatata e tau whakawhiawhia whakamotu he te tangata Vanuatu, ke whakawhiawhia atu ai e tau motu toko Hongfu Matulu ne kua hohoko atu ke whetohu ai ke Hongfu Malima e spate ke he kehe. Ke tau hukui he te mtakau haniwe ne kua hohoko atu ke mtakau tāpolo sea, ko tōru ni ne kua hoko atu ke lātu me hawhangianga mo wholeni e fuki, ko Haven Siosikefu ne kua whiwhiri ai ke fua e masini haniwe. Koe tau mtakau haniwe ne nākela hoko atu ki Vanuatu, ko mtakau lakapi fitu, sivia fuki mo mtakau lisi fua polo mamafa, lisi lapasosa, mo lisi tau, amna ke hoko atu whaitap nei. Koe mga nei fuki, ko whakapuloa e tau whakaholoanga ia he Pacific Mini Games, ke he tau whakaholoanga he TV Niue. Sports teams from around the Pacific are in Vanuatu for the opening of the 10th Pacific Mini Games held in Port Vila. Vanuatu displayed a variety of cultural performances showcased on the opening night to welcome countries participating in the Pacific Mini Games. In this year's Mini Games, 13 countries proudly marched during the Games opening for what will be 2 weeks of competition in 15 different sports. Niue will be competing in golf, rugby sevens and athletics field events. The Pacific Mini Games was formerly known as the South Pacific Mini Games, a multi-sport event designed for countries and territories within the Pacific region to compete against each other. The Niue golf team was the only team there in time for the opening, and Haven Siosikefu was Niue's flag bearer. The rest of the Niue sports teams will be flying into Vanuatu this week, and TV Niue is also broadcasting the Pacific Mini Games live. Those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope you can join us again on Thursday evening. Don't forget that tomorrow will be the Niue Primary School prize giving. Pena e tau walatala tutupu ne momo mai ke latu mai a whiawhinei. A mana ki ke li diuma tutak pihinei fōki ke a whiawhia tuloto. Wani mo e aho tufa pale pale he aonge to whānau kiki ka whakahoko ai ke aho pungi. Tēnā no whā, mnini pō tō lidiu ke whalawea.